Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a very special day. Today's a Coach unboxing. Yes, it is. And I am blaming this unboxing all on Melissa from Melissa's Corner. Yes, Melissa, the self-appointed president of my fan club that doesn't exist. Yes, she is definitely the influencer behind this and kept pushing me to do it. So let's see which one I got. Bloomingdale's was having a super sale on this silhouette, and it was too good to pass up. Oh. So Melissa said this was a must to have in my Coach collection, and I said, okay. It smells like perfume. I wonder if they included a perfume sample in here. So here it comes packaged up. Did y'all see a sneak peek? Ooh, this is a willow. Now, Melissa, can you guess what color willow, which style willow that I got? I bet you can't. No, 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 because she's expecting me to get the denim. And I looked and looked at the denim, and it was just one of those where it just was not exciting me to get it in the willow and the denim, but I did want a willow. So what I did is, this is the one I got. Can you see through all of this paperwork? I bet you can. We are definitely matching. Pink. I like this pattern. I do like animal print. We used to use animal print all the time when my daughter was cheering, so I kind of got over saturated with it, but didn't mean that I didn't like it. I have shoes in this color. I have some bobs in this color. I have a pair in this pattern rather, and my granddaughter has a pair in this pattern, so we always like to match. So I decided to get this when Melissa shared it to me. She also got the matching wallet and wristlet, or wallet and something else. You'll have to go see her channel to find out what matching she has exactly. And I decided at that time I didn't, because I was buying all the denim stuff, so I just couldn't, even though it was such a good price, just could not afford to get the, spend the extra money, because I needed all my pennies for the denim. But it's a new month, so new budget, so I was able to get it a new 2 months. Okay, here is the front of the bag, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. She has feet, and the top. Now, this is the top handle version, but it still has a strap. I think it's a crossbody strap. It kind of confused me because they have two willows that have the style. There's a shoulder carry, and then there's this one. So this is the one that I liked. It has a turn lock there, so that's kind of neat. You open that up, and it has an outside pocket, a zipper pocket, and a back pocket. So let me see. Here's the Coach dust bag. Let me try to get all of this stuff out of here. Look, it has a back pocket that is a magnet, and this one I didn't undo because I wanted to show y'all that it's still magnetized through the stuffing there. And I think it was even magnetized. Here's the front one that goes to it. Yeah, see? So even with that on there, it's still a nice tight magnet. then you take that off and it's even stronger. That's pretty good. I like that. They have a great, very good magnet on there. Here is the, let me take this off. Here is the Coach zipper pull. Nice, very smooth zipper pull. It has this thin paper, and it has, there's the inside, and it goes all the way to the bottom, so it fits that criteria. So yay. I did the video of bags I had to ban. it was a collab with Autumn Beckman, and that was one of the things, is that it just drives me crazy when the pockets, the center pocket is not all the way to the bottom. So here is the front pocket, and it's just open. There's no no pockets or on the side walls or anything like that, you know. So it's very cute, very, very cute. It has, the handles here are black, and it's the leather on here, see? So I like it, and this actually is a very good size. I try to measure look at the measurements as best as I could on the website, but for the price, I mean, it was a fantastic price. I'll list it below. The retail value is $3.50, and I got it for about half of that. I'll put it somewhere around here what the sale price is. I went back in yesterday just to go look to see what all was on sale and available, and this was still on sale, but it is on sale for a higher price than what Melissa and I got it for. So I'm very glad that I jumped on it. So Melissa, we are definitely twinning. So did I surprise you? Leave a comment down below. Love y'all, Bean Beauty. Bye-bye.